I'm going to provide you with some help for day 7, activity 2. Our job is to think about the number of peanuts that have been eaten. We need to fill in each of the rows using the information. The first one was done for us. Okay, before we even try to fill in this table, let's just make sense of what's happening with the peanuts. So let's look at them. I see one loose peanut, just one peanut. I also see bags of peanuts, and it says that there are 10 peanuts inside each bag. So I know that it takes 10 loose peanuts to fill one bag. It's kind of like I'm multiplying by 10. I also see a box of peanuts. I know that each box can hold 10 bags. So it's kind of like I'm multiplying by 10 again. 10 loose nuts fill one bag, 10 bags fill one box. I can think about that like place value blocks. If one little block is equal to a loose nut, then one rod is like a bag because it has 10, and one flat is like a box because it has 10 bags, and I know that each of the bags has 10 loose nuts for a total of 100 peanuts in the box. Okay, so now that I've made sense of my situation, I can try to answer the table questions down below. Keep in mind, as we look at the table, we are talking about boxes. We're trying to figure out what number, either a whole number or a part of a whole number, of boxes we can fill. So, in the first row, I have eaten 16 peanuts. How many whole boxes is that? Well, it takes 100 peanuts to fill a box, so I have not filled any boxes. How many whole bags? Well, it takes 10 to fill a bag. I have 16. That means I have 110. And how many loose are left over? 6. I had one bag of 10 and 6 more. So I don't have any whole boxes, but I do have one bag and 6 loose peanuts. So written as a number, as a decimal, that would be 0 and 16 hundredths. 0 whole bags, 0 boxes, one bag, and 16 loose. Let's look at the next one. 103. Okay, well, 100 fills a box. I have one of those. I could have filled some bags, but I already used 100 to fill my box, so I only have 3 left. That means I won't have any full bags, but I do have 3 loose left over. So I have 1 whole box and no bags, but I do have 3 extra loose. That's 1 and 3/100ths box of peanuts. Your job is to fill in the rest of the table. Use the pictures to help you. You can use place value blocks if you want to. Just remember, the whole box, this whole flat, represents your whole. Your bags and your loose are your decimal parts.